The term python snake refers to a group of non-venomous constrictor snakes belonging to the family Pythonidae. These snakes are known for their large size, powerful bodies, and, in some cases, attractive patterns. Pythons are found in a variety of habitats, including tropical rainforests, grasslands, swamps, and savannas. They are distributed across Africa, Asia, and Australia. Pythons are constrictor snakes, meaning they kill their prey by squeezing it until it can no longer breathe. They do not have venom, but instead rely on their powerful muscles to subdue and swallow their prey whole. Pythons are among the largest snake species. Depending on the species, they can range from relatively small, such as the children's python, to extremely large, like the reticulated python, which is one of the longest snake species. There are many species of pythons, and some of the well-known ones include the Burmese python, reticulated python, ball python, African rock python, and green tree python. Pythons are egg-laying snakes. After mating, the female lays a clutch of eggs, which she coils around to protect. The female will incubate the eggs by contracting and relaxing her muscles to generate heat until they hatch. Some python species are popular in the pet trade due to their docile nature, relatively calm temperament, and attractive patterns. However, keeping pythons as pets requires proper knowledge, commitment, and adherence to local laws and regulations. While some python species are abundant, others face threats due to habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and hunting. The Burmese python, for example, has become an invasive species in parts of Florida, USA. Pythons have cultural significance in various societies. In some cultures, they are revered or feared and may play a role in local mythology and folklore. It's important to note that while many python species are non-venomous, they can still be powerful and potentially dangerous. Additionally, some species can pose ecological challenges when introduced to non-native environments. Always exercise caution and respect when dealing with wild animals, and be aware of local regulations regarding the ownership and handling of pythons as pets. The diet of a python typically consists of whole prey items, and the size of the prey depends on the size and species of the python. Here are some general guidelines regarding the diet of python snakes. The size of the prey should be appropriate for the size of the python. As a general rule, the prey should be no larger than the widest part of the snake's body. For young and smaller pythons, appropriate prey may include rodents such as mice and rats. Larger pythons may consume larger prey, including larger rats, rabbits, or even small to medium-sized birds. The frequency of feeding depends on the age, size, and species of the python. Younger pythons tend to eat more frequently than adults. A general guideline is to feed young pythons every 5 to 7 days, while adult pythons may be fed every 1 to 2 weeks. Some snake species may fast or reduce their feeding frequency, especially during cooler months or when they are preparing to shed their skin. Many python keepers prefer to offer frozen/thawed prey items to their snakes for safety reasons. Live prey can pose a risk to the snake, as it may fight back and injure the snake during the feeding process. If using frozen/thawed prey, it's essential to ensure the prey is completely thawed and warm to the snake's body temperature before offering it. It's important to monitor the python's body condition and adjust feeding accordingly. Overfeeding can lead to obesity, while underfeeding can result in malnutrition. Snakes can regurgitate their meals if stressed or handled shortly after eating. It's generally advised to avoid handling snakes immediately after feeding. Ensure that the python has access to fresh water at all times. Some pythons may soak in their water bowls, which is a natural behavior, but others may not show interest in water. Always keep in mind that the dietary needs of pythons can vary based on species, age, and individual health. If you have a pet python, it's recommended to consult with a veterinarian or a reptile specialist for guidance on proper feeding practices, and to address any specific concerns related to the health and nutrition of your snake. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.